Good morning, this is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV up here in chilly Junction City, Oregon this morning. As you can see from my breath, it's a little chilly, but you know, what a great weekend to go RVing, fire up that furnace and be toasty, whether it's in the snow or over at the coast or just driving down I-5. Let's take a look at this coach. It's a 2014 Navion Itasca 24G. So that's built by Winnebago. Obviously, it is also on a Mercedes chassis with the diesel engine. Why do people like those diesels? What customers tell me, they're getting from 14 to 16 miles per gallon. So obviously one of the leaders for mileage. Let's walk around the outside. Because it's on a Class C chassis, obviously it has, driver and passenger doors. As you can see, an electric step. The awning is electric. Electric steps here. As we look in here, before we go inside, we'll just take a quick peek. So this has twin house batteries, and the chassis batteries up underneath the front hood. Water heater. Nice storage right there. Felt line so things don't slide around. This is our generator. This one has an LP 3600 Onan. Nice rotocast compartment there. Stay clean and dry. So as we go around the back, this is a G model, so one of the slides comes out the back. Does have a storage compartment under the back bed. We go around the side here, so city water fill. Right here is kind of our service center. Our plug-in for our generator, an outside shower, black tank flush, holding tanks, along with the LP fill, and the shut off. Our front slide out that contains our sofa, and another storage area. And then one of the things you can see right there, that white area, that's a place to hold your sewer hose. So nice, it's a rotocast, stays clean, doesn't pick up smell. So as we come to the inside, we have a two-person sofa over here that'll also fold out in the bed. This G model has the storage over the front with the window. It's a nice open area. Shade to cover it if the sun's beating down. One of the very good things on the Mercedes is the amount of the flat floor in the room on both the passenger and driver sides. The front shades are actually built into the edge of the window. We undo these Velcros and these shades will come across, same on the front. So really well set up for privacy and ease of use. As we go towards the back here, AM, FM, DVD player. Storage, TV on a swing arm so you can move it around. Now the driver and passenger seats will both rotate and face the rear. So you can have 4 people up here very easily. So curved laminate doors. The reason they use these doors is because there's so much, besides they're darn good looking, is they're very much lighter. So this coach has increased carrying capacity over a coach that would have solid wood doors. Two sinks, deep drawers, 2-burner gas stove. As you can see, nice backlighting. One of the benefits of our nowadays having the LED lighting. Convection microwave. Pull-out pantries. Nice deep drawers. Norcold refrigerator. All our controls are up here. Generator start, water heater, our Xantrex inverter, master control slide, our slides. We can even shut off the LP valve from in here. So this slide out is out now in the back and the bed is unfolded. Again, nice deep storage above. So very comfortable sleeping. MCD nighttime shades, pull down shades. Additional wardrobe space here. You see this one, so it also has our table for the front. So we have a table we can use for eating. As we go past, here we'll look in the bathroom real fast. So shower on the left. Good storage. With the curved bar, gives us a nice room in the shower. So as I said, this is a G model 2014 Winnebago Navion, Itasca. This one has 14,700 miles. Great unit. One of the things you'd find about this, very nice driving units. Nice and quiet in the front, handle well. So if you get a chance, come take a drive. This is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you.